Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Bullet. In this video we are going to take a look at one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges out there, and this cryptocurrency exchange is totally different from all other cryptocurrency exchanges like for example Binance or KuCoin and many others. In this video I'm going to explain you how this crypto exchange is different, and we will go through all the different features which is with this cryptocurrency exchange. And in this video we are going to take a look at CEX.io. And as the first thing, this crypto exchange is also listed on CoinMarketCap. As you can see here guys, the trading volume is 60 million guys, and there is over 100 different pairs of cryptocurrencies. But one of the main things which you will notice straight away when you will see that there are different pairs guys, you will notice that there is not many pairs which are related to crypto pairs, but these pairs are actually in fiat. This means that this crypto exchange is totally different from all other crypto exchanges because you can trade in fiat pairs rather than trading in cryptocurrency pairs, and this is one of the biggest pluses for this crypto exchange. Imagine if you are trading in your native currency, whether it's a United States dollar or whether it's a Great British pound, or for example me, if I'm trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in Europe, when cryptocurrency markets are dumping, I'm able to exit into my native currency. And this is only one reason why I like this crypto exchange. Another thing is that this is one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. CEX is an ecosystem of products and services connecting people and businesses to cryptocurrencies markets guys, and here is like founded in 2013. Another huge thing straight away talking about CEX.io is that it has like their native debit card. You can spend your cryptocurrencies or you can spend your fiat from their debit card. And one more major point about CEX.io is that whenever you are storing your cryptocurrencies on CEX.io, you are staking them straight away. This means that you don't need to perform any other actions like add to staking, like with many other cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance for example. If you would like to stake any of your cryptocurrencies, you would need to add and lock your cryptocurrencies in some contract. On KuCoin the same, and many other crypto exchanges, if you would like to stake, you need to lock and you need to perform some actions. Where on CEX.io, if you are having some cryptocurrencies, if you are just using CEX.io as your wallet for example, or if you are just hodling your cryptocurrencies on CEX.io, you are staking straight away guys. This is one more big thing. And now let's go to CEX.io. As you can see guys, a trusted and secure Bitcoin and crypto exchange. Yes, and this was one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges out there like I mentioned, and it has pretty much all the same features as with other crypto exchanges. So as it has a mobile app, you can also use a mobile app, and there are many more things. But like I mentioned guys, we will go through this crypto exchange, all these features, and I also have account with this CEX.io crypto exchange which I will showcase you from the inside as well in a second. As you can see, check your current promos, giveaways, competitions and more. And by the way, by using CEX.io you can also use a referral program which is rather huge. If you just share your referral link, you can also make money from people which you are inviting to join CEX.io cryptocurrency exchange, and my referral link will be in description of this video if you would like to support the channel guys. And if you would like to create account in this cryptocurrency exchange, use that link, and you will also be able to make profits whenever you will be inviting new people to join this crypto exchange. However, like I mentioned guys, this is not the main thing about this crypto exchange. One thing is that, or main thing is that you can use it as fiat gateway, not use like Coinbase for buying cryptocurrency because Coinbase charges huge fees, but you can use also CEX.io. And as you can see, CEX.io staking earned by simply hodling coins on CEX.io. This means you just hodl your cryptocurrencies on this exchange like I mentioned guys, and you can make profits straight away just by hodling your cryptocurrencies cryptos here. And meet Sex.io debit card, so they have a debit card, cheaper GBP deposits, Great British Pound deposits, and margin trading, and much more. So as you can buy crypto on this exchange, I will also show you an article from them in a second how you can buy cryptocurrencies. But one thing what you need to keep in mind by using Sex.io is that this is a fully regulated cryptocurrency exchange, and you will need to do your account verification. Similar as with KuCoin or Binance, you will need to provide your details to increase your trading volume. This means how much you can deposit and how much you can withdraw into this cryptocurrency exchange. And this is absolutely normal, at least to my mind, guys. All these regulated crypto exchanges are much better than unregulated because they are actually applying to some country laws, and they are more secure than all those unregulated cryptocurrency exchanges. Here I'm in my account, and trading is pretty much similar to all other different cryptocurrency exchanges, where here in search you can search pair, for example BTC. As you can see, there are tons of different pairs which you can trade with BTC, like BCH BTC, DC Euro pair, BTC Great British Pound pair, and like I already mentioned previously, there are different pairs which are related mainly to fiat. And here, if you are trading, if you are hodling your cryptocurrencies, like I mentioned, one of the big things is that you can exit if you think that markets will be dropping and you want to exit quickly from the market. You can exit directly to your native currency. This is one thing. And if we go here first tab, you will see all other different features which are within this cryptocurrency exchange, like spot trading. This is that you can trade on spot. There is also margin trading, where you can add margin and where you can borrow, or where Sex.io will lend you money, guys. I don't recommend anyone who is not familiar with trading in general for at least 2 years to get into margin trading. Only do spot trading. Then there is mobile app, like I mentioned. If we click in, you will get redirected on all these features. If you click in, there are very clear, straightforward descriptions how you can use them. Here is about the mobile app, and you can get it for Android on Google Play, or for example for Apple on App Store, guys. And here there is much more information about it. Next feature is instant buy. You can buy instantly cryptocurrency here, guys. You can earn here. You can use Sex.io as your wallet for your cryptocurrencies, and like I mentioned earlier, if you are just hodling your cryptocurrencies on Sex.io, you are staking them straight away. This means that you are making profits without any lockings or doing any other activities like with other staking on other cryptocurrency exchanges. And you can get debit card if you are interested. Just click in. Like I mentioned, it's very straightforward. You can get more information straight away about these features which are here. But one thing which I wanted to showcase you is that you can use different payment methods to also deposit into this crypto exchange, guys. As you can see here from their article, payment methods at Sex.io. This means that there are different payment methods, not only one, how you can deposit and how you can get your funds into this crypto exchange. As you can see, credit or debit card. If you just have a credit or debit card, you can easily use it like Visa and MasterCard and debit cards. You can use them to buy cryptocurrency on Sex.io, guys. And here is how to add a card to your Sex.io account. And if you will go to Sex.io, you can also click here on deposit, and if you haven't added a card, you will be given an option to add a card as well, guys. And you can also obviously go from this link here. Actually, I will leave this support link also in description. If you are interested, come in and check out all other payment methods which are in here. As you can see, you can also use bank transfers, ACH for US only, domestic wire transfers, faster payments, UK only, and SEPA payments, and there is many more like e-wallets. If you have Skrill or ePay, you can use them also to deposit and buy cryptocurrency with Sex.io, guys. So in general, yes, if you are interested in some secure crypto exchange. By the way, one more important thing which I haven't mentioned about Sex.io in comparison to other crypto exchanges, this is one of the crypto exchanges which haven't been hacked since 2013. So attacks or probably there were attacks against Sex.io, but it was never hacked. Where other crypto exchanges like Ascendex just recently got hacked, and there are many other exchanges which have been hacked, like even Binance have been hacked, guys. But this crypto exchange never have been hacked because they are keeping their user funds on cold wallet wallets, guys, they are not available to hackers even if hackers hack this exchange. So yes, this is why my quick review on sex.io. Hope that you found this video useful. Hope that you now know what sex.io is and how it is different from other cryptocurrency exchanges. And if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.